Here's how to adjust the default values in the apps in line with your cooking habits and save them as favorites on the start screen. It's easy to change the default settings for the operating modes. Adjust the suggested temperature with a tap of a finger. Simply enter the value and press and hold. The color confirms that the new default temperature has been saved. Now, every time the function is restarted, your desired temperature is displayed as a suggested value. This can easily be changed again at any time as required. It's just as easy to create your personal favorites. If you regularly use the Bake-O-Matic function for a delicious lasagna or your favorite baked dish, for example, you can save the function as a favorite. To do so, simply press on the heart. This way, your favorite settings are always instantly available, and of course, you can name your favorites however you like. All favorites appear clearly as apps directly on the start screen. Let's take our favorite settings for beef tenderloin, for example. Everything is pre-programmed and the app does the rest. 59 degrees Celsius food probe temperature, 1 hour 30 minutes. Or here's our lasagna app. Press and hold if you want to change the name or delete the app. You can create up to 50 favorites and organize them however you like. This gives you a personalized start screen, and your most frequently used programs are just a tap away.